If you do not know what to eat today, let me whet your appetite by preparing nnpihuu, mpotompoto, nuuhuu, yam porridge with you today. Welcome to this channel where I share with you how to make simple Ghanaian, intercontinental and traditional recipes. Make sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. So I have already peeled the yam and I cut it into squares, like smaller squares as I am doing. So when I'm done, I'll go ahead and wash it very well, like 2 or 3 times. So now that I'm done with the washing of the yam, I'll add in some diced onions and then some cocoa. Now this cocoa was made here on this channel, so please check it out. I'm adding in some seasoning powder. You can add stock cube and some herrings, that is money. Now I'll add in some onion, 1 onion and tomatoes. Then I'll add 1.5 pepper. It depends on how spicy you want it, so I'll add some water to it, and the water should be a little bit above the yam, and then I'll cover it. I'm not adding in salt because the cocoa contains salt. So it's been 28 minutes now, and I am going to remove the pepper, the onion and the tomatoes together with 1 cocoa, and then I'll blend it in a blender with some water. So with the cocoa, I will take the skin out and throw it away. I do not need it, so I'm just going to use the fleshy part of the cocoa. Before covering it, I'll taste for the salt, because you know I did not add in salt to it, but I think it is okay, so I'll cover it and leave it, and then go ahead with the blending of the tomatoes. So I'm done with blending the tomatoes. I'm going to pour it into the yam and give it a stir, but I'll rinse the blender and add it to it. So at this point, I'm going to take some of the yams out and mash it in a pottage or earthenware. Please don't blend it, but when you are doing it for babies, you can blend it to make it very smooth. And also I will recommend you add more of the water to make it, a little bit lighter. Now I am done with the mashing of the yam. I will add it back and then give it a very good stir for it to mix very well. So now I'm going to add in some shrimp powder, and I added 4 tablespoons of shrimp powder and then some smoked mackerel. Also, I'll add in palm oil at this point and then give it a very good stir for everything to mix well. So now let me take this opportunity to welcome all the new subscribers and the old subscribers to this channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and for coming back. Kindly hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video, and most importantly, share the video out to all your social media platforms. So once again, I'll taste for salt, and I'm okay with it, so I'll cover it and leave it to cook for some time. So it's been 6 minutes now. I'll add in some spinach. Please, the spinach is totally optional, but I love it inside, you understand? So I'll give it a stir to mix, and once again cover it to cook. So it's been another 6 minutes and everything is well cooked because I do not want it to be overcooked. That is the spinach. Now serve yourself. It was so delicious. Thank you very much for watching this video and kindly watch my other videos because you are going to love it. And once again, thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. Choose.